Yes, hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Dahil maganda ang panahon ngayon, lalabas tayo at maglilibot. Libutin natin ang, ano, itry kong maglakad hanggang Mount Sian yung kung saan ako first nag-day off. Dumating ako dito sa Hong Kong. And yeah, is here. Oh, you can see the cloudsy. So, see you there. Samahan niyo ako ilibot sa Hong Kong. So, ganito ang panahon ngayon. Our house is there. Yeah. O, di ba maganda? Pero bakit parang ulan maya-maya? Bakit may konting black doon? So, yeah. Hindi nga, bago tayo maglakad, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Nandito na naman ako dito. Hindi ko lang yung kakainin ko. Oh, ang mga ko. Okay. A5. A5. A5 na lang. Ooh. Lamon muna tayo bago tayo maglarga. Oh, oh. Lamon. Hi! At ito, at ito na nga, nasimulan natin naglakad na. O, di ba? Balot na balot. Balot na balot, balutin mo ako sa hiwaga ng pagmamahal. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Ang aking kasama ay ang aking kaluluwa. Yan. Dito na ako sa university. Maglakad na ako papuntang Mount Sian. Tingnan natin kung ilang oras yun kasi na-bike na namin to eh. Na-bike na namin to. Pero parang iniisip ko parang medyo malayo-layo. Pero malayo-layo atang lalakarin ko kasi hindi tayo nakabike. Kaya, samahan niyo ako. Andito tayo sa bukid. Mag-jogging ay. Ngayon na lang tayo. Samahan niyo ako ha. Diyan lang kayo. Diyan lang kayo talaga. Huwag niyo akong iwan kasi wala akong kasama. Woo! Ah! Na. Oh. Ito. May nag-jogging din. Ang buhay ay masayang tunay. Ganito na lang tayo. Sa pag day off, sa bundok na lang tayo. No? Maglakad-lakad. Mas maganda pa. Kaysa sa doon. Kaysa sa doon sa Central. Ay, go! Doon na tayo. Diyan lang kayo. Oh, diyan lang kayo. Mataas na tayo dito sa ano.
Raina's out, packing her gear, the mountains call.
Flyover.
Adventures await,
Didaanan kasi na
she's
ito yun ang bike.
ready to
Tingnan
crawl.
yung biking area dito, ang lawak.
with nature's canvas.
Pwedeng dadaan ang sasakyan.
She paints her
Andito naman
dreams.
yung saan
Every
dadaan
step
ang
a
sasakyan.
story.
Ito,
bursting
papuntang
at the
ano,
seams.
papuntang teritoryo, papuntang sentra.
Through limbs and
Ang
heart,
ganda ng ulap.
turning trails
Kasi
into
ganda mo.
memories that never
Buti may hangin-hangin.
depart. Rain out on TV,
Oh, Diyos.
where the wild things roam.
Magpaa.
Hiking through the world,
Yeah.
it's where she feels home. Join the
Dumaan na siya.
journey, let your spirit soar.
Hey.
In
Oh,
every
la, la.
adventure, there's always more in store.
Buti walang.
From peaks so high
Ayun lang.
to valleys low.
Ayun, papuntang China.
In a spirit, it's wild and
Daanan ng
bold.
train. Nilagyan na ng ganito yung ano kasi
She
may nagpakamatay.
loves and grows in the forest embrace where tranquility
Magpayong kaya ako.
flows. Chasing sunlight, dancing through the trees. Adventure awaits within every breeze.
Grabe.
Rain of light
Kayo mo po yung cellphone.
where the wild things roam, hiking through the world, it's where she feels home. Join the journey, let your spirit soar. In every adventure, there's always more in store.
Tuloy.
Tie your boots and grab your pack. With rain of love, there's no turning back.
Sa hirap, doon ako namasyal. Kasama ko ang aking sarili. Naglakad sa
In the bubbling, streaking was Wall Street along the light road. Arena's camera captures all the joy we know. From the peak to the harbor, every sunset and day.
Lakad-lakad
Hong Kong's
lang.
a treasure.
Kaya kumain tayo para maglakad-lakad.
With every clip, our adventures unfold. Stories of Hong Kong, vibrant and bold. Rain Asphalt TV, let the
One.
journey begin. Discovering
11 na pala.
Hong Kong, where the fun never ends. With laughter and beauty in every little scene.
Is here? Is
Join
here?
in the magic. Let's
here the
live
way?
like kings and queens.
Beware of
Tasting dim
people.
sum, oh what a delight. Exploring the markets till we hit the night. Riding the tram,
Oy,
let the
mga light.
city unwind. In this beautiful chaos, new treasures we find. You
Wow,
rain us flow,
Basang
bringing smiles to
masasawa.
our screens. Through the heart of the city, living our dream. Rain us flow,
Ay, dito na.
TV, let the journey begin. Discovering Hong Kong, where the fun never ends. With
Biking area
laughter
dito
and
eh.
beauty in every little scene.
Tatlong
Join
lane yan.
in the magic. Let's
Walking
live
area,
like kings and
biking.
queens.
Papunta doon, pabalik. Diba?
So
Yan ang
chill
Hong Kong.
with us. There's so much to see.
Grabe
In the
sila.
heart of Hong